floor of the treehouse has this trap door where you kind of shut it before you go sleep, right? So now I can't open it to go to the toilet. I did! You caught it on video!
Who left the tap on now?
Good morning!
Good morning! It's a beautiful morning. Could you hear the weird, funny noises in the morning? I don't know what they were.
This is how Mother Nature sounds like.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And I can hear the waterfall. So what are we going to do today?
Have breakfast?
Yeah, we're ready for breakfast. We'll climb down. And then we have to check out. So sad. So usually they get the locals to cook using natural ingredients that they grow here. But today it's roti canai. Hey, I think we get to wash the way they do.
Spring water with this is a natural way of doing it, right? She said, with the ashes. It's the first time, you know, like doing facial mask.
Out of the ashes shall come washing detergent.
Surprisingly clean,
It's like that.
but you can feel the thing removing the oil. Welcome to the viewing tower. It looks like it's like 7-story high, if you can see. So also made out of all these forest materials, which is wood. So let's go up and check out the view. Aya, so liao. So she go up study, I go down.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Did the kids play with you scissors, paper, stone on your way down?
No.
It's like you kind of have to win to pass, you know.
Bye, rain. I can't say this. Goodbye, rainforest, treehouse.
Time to go to the
Goodbye.
next destination.
Staying here.